April 1st, 2008, a new chapter in the exploration of distant planets began. Scientists embarked on a journey to uncover some of the scariest and most mysterious celestial bodies out there. Among these cosmic anomalies is WASP-12b, often considered one of the strangest and saddest planets in our known universe. This exoplanet is located a daunting 870 light-years away from our solar system. It's about 1.93 times larger in size than Jupiter, and has a mass roughly equal to 1.46 times that of Jupiter. WASP-12b orbits very close to its parent star, resulting in scorching temperatures of up to 2200 degrees Celsius. The incredibly strong gravitational pull from its host star is slowly consuming WASP-12b, turning it into an egg-shaped planet being inexorably drawn toward its relentless sun. Sadly, there's little hope for intervention in its tragic fate. In about 10 million years, this unfortunate planet is destined to be entirely consumed by its relentless parent star. Kelt 9b, the oval planet. An unusual planet, roughly twice as big as Jupiter, and it's always extremely hot. It takes just 36 hours to orbit its star. This planet gets a whopping 44,000 times more heat from its star compared to what Earth gets from the Sun, making it one of the hottest known planets. This extreme heat causes its outer layer to evaporate into space. Thanks to NASA's TESS satellite, we've discovered even more peculiarities about Kelt 9b. TESS can spot changes in starlight when a planet passes in front of its star from our viewpoint, and we call this a transit. However, Kelt 9b's star is spinning so fast that it's stretched into an oval shape. This means the poles of the star are hotter than the middle part, a phenomenon we call gravity darkening. Kelt 9b's path around the star is also unusual. It crosses over the star's poles. All these factors make the start and end of each transit different, making it challenging to study. A team of scientists from NASA Goddard used test data to understand these complexities better. They found that Kelt 9b experiences an unusual type of seasonal change, due to its polar orbit and gravity darkening. When it goes over the star's hot poles, it's like summer, and when it passes over the cooler equator, it's a bit like winter. Each year on Kelt 9b is only 36 hours long, and it has 2 of these seasons, each lasting less than 9 hours. Toei 3757b, the cosmic enigma in deep space. In the year 2022, researchers at the Kitt Peak National Observatory in Arizona made a remarkable discovery, a planet unlike anything we've encountered before. Toei 3757b resides a distant 580 light-years away from Earth, boasting a radius 1.5 times larger than our own Jupiter. While scientists settled on classifying it as a gas giant, any other label seemed even less fitting. Its density is so unusual that it most closely resembles marshmallows, the fluffy treats we savor here on Earth. This celestial wanderer charts an elliptical orbit, a trajectory that leads it to venture far from its nearest star before drawing near once more. Consequently, the star persistently hammers the planet with bursts of radiation, gradually eroding its protective atmosphere. HD 106906b, a puzzling celestial giant. This planet is no ordinary planet. This enormous exoplanet is roughly 11 times heavier than Jupiter, and it's located a vast 300 light-years away in the Crux constellation. When scientists discovered this celestial body, they faced a puzzling challenge, figuring out how it moves in space. What makes HD 106906b even more interesting is its incredibly hot surface, reaching temperatures of about 1500 degrees Celsius. Such extreme heat is usually found on planets that orbit stars. However, here's the tricky part. HD 106906b is all alone, far from any nearby stars. After some time, scientists did find a suitable star candidate, but it was incredibly far away from the planet, a staggering 96 billion kilometers. To give you an idea of how far that is, it's 20 times farther than the distance between the Sun and Neptune. As for the incredibly high temperature, it's because this celestial object is very young, just 350 times younger than Earth. It hasn't had enough time to cool down yet. However, because of its unique path through space, there's a chance that HD 106906b could turn into a very cold, icy world in the distant future. PSOJ 318-522, the Rogue Planet. This planet is a remarkable celestial object that stands out because it doesn't orbit a star. It falls into a unique category of planets known as rogue planets, or orphans. These planets were ejected from their original star systems and now wander through space. The absence of a nearby star makes it an excellent target for observation. Astronomers have used the PS-1 Panoramic Survey Telescope, PAN-STARRS, to study it, revealing that PSOJ 318. 522 is about 8 times larger than Jupiter and much brighter. It has a surface temperature of approximately 1470 degrees Fahrenheit. Astronomers in Chile have even managed to provide one of the first weather forecasts for a planet beyond our solar system. They predict cloudy and warm conditions, dust storms with speeds exceeding the sound barrier, and the possibility of molten iron rain. The planet is estimated to be around 12 million years old and is considered a sub-brown dwarf, indicating its transitional state between a star and a traditional gas giant. While many rogue planets have been discovered, ongoing research continues to unveil more about these intriguing celestial monuments. As we conclude this journey into the realm of the scariest planets we discovered, one thing is clear. The planets that we discovered have already shaken up the world of science, and we can undoubtedly suspect more extraordinary discoveries in the months and years to come.